Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Outdoor Candy with Nurse Matt. If this is your first time checking out the content, I do appreciate your support. If you do like the video, please like and subscribe. It does help the YouTube channel algorithm and my channel grow. This is a very quick video, basically on a DIY project that I just recently did with respect to storage. I don't want to draw this out too far because I don't want you guys to have to watch a long clip on what to do. I want to really consolidate this so you can see exactly what I did really quickly to make it beneficial to you as well. But if you're like me, I have quite a bit of fishing gear. This could be any kind of gear though. It could be outdoor gear, it could be camping, fishing, hiking, canoeing, kayaking, paddleboarding, whatever gear you have, but this is definitely tailored toward outdoor gear. So what I wanted to show you really quickly is if your outdoor gear becomes messy and starts to look like this, where you look at it and you're like, you know what, I don't even want to untangle that and I don't even want to go fishing now. Okay, so in specific, this is going to be about fishing equipment and specifically rods and reels, that kind of gear. But the problem is this can become a problem, especially if you want to get going or if you're late or whatever the case might be and you just want everything very accessible, very consolidated and ready to rock and roll. I came up with an idea on how to organize all of that, and I want to show you guys in this really quick clip on what I did. So to organize it from looking like this to this, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it on a budget. This is going to be a very efficient, cheap, easy DIY project for specifically rods and reels. Stay tuned and I'll show you how I did it. Alright guys, well, if you stayed all the way to the end, I do appreciate that. So if you did enjoy the content, please like and subscribe. It does help the channel grow, as well as the YouTube algorithm. I just wanted to tell you all that most, if not all, of this product that I have for this, the items that I got to put this project together did come from Home Depot. It wasn't online. So it was a quick trip to the store. Sometimes you just got to go and drive to the store and pick stuff up instead of buying it online. So did take a little bit of time to put it all together, but once I did, the project came out really well. It looks very successful, and it works very successfully too. So it does get everything off the ground, and it puts it up near the ceiling. Definitely consolidates the space a little bit more for me and opens up some other things. So that said, I appreciate again you guys all stopping by, and hopefully in the future we'll get out some more content, hopefully some fishing content. Thanks again, and we'll talk to you guys soon.